So Python last class we discussed. Welcome to Mohansh Technologies. In last class Python we discussed about comments. So how to write comments like single line comments, multi-line comments, and we seen how to install multiple editors and how to work with the Google Collaboratory or cloud platform. All these things. But today we will discuss a very important topic called variables or identifiers. See, what is this variable or identifier? Whenever you want to create a program, whenever you want to write a program, you should be having some variables. Okay. So I want to store the data. For example, I want to store the student data or I want to store the product data. So whenever you want to keep the product data having a number of attributes like what is product name, what is the product price, what is the product category, and what is the product color, or what is the product weight. There are multiple categories. For example, you are taking a student name, student age, student gender. Okay, the kind of things I want to add. Okay, whenever you want to, okay, let me take a simple thing. There is a program I'm trying to writing. So I want to keep the program like first number, last number, and summation. So whenever you want to write a addition program, let me take you. Whenever you are writing addition program, okay, my program is addition. So whenever you want to write addition program, for addition program, how to write addition program? I want to take the first number, right? So number, first number you need to take as a identifier. Suppose first number is 10. Okay, so I want to take the second number. Second number also identifier, and the value is something like 20. So finally, I want to go for the summation. Summation is equal to first number, first number plus second number. First number plus second number. Just try to understand. So what is happening here is there are two identifiers, three identifiers here. The first identifier called first number, second identifier called second number, and one more identifier called sum. Inside sum, I want to add first identifier and second identifier. Now, what is happening here? I'm trying to telling you. So here, whatever the 10 value which is available here, this is going to be assigning to the identifier. And whatever the 20 value available here, this is assigning to the identifier. Now again, here, this identifier having summation, which is going to be assigning to the sum. And finally, sum is the output for us. Sum is the output for us. I want summation. I want summation. Then you can go for the print option. So when you go for the print, automatically summation you can able to see. Am I clear, guys? Okay. So what are the different kind of identifiers which are going to be available? That is a kind of data types program. Later we will see that. But this is called identifier creation. But whenever you want to create identifier name or variable name, variable name should follow some rules. Variable name should follow some rules. What are the rules? I will tell you. So any programming language you are writing a variable, there are some rules and regulations which are going to be following. The first rule is, okay, let me keep the enter. The first rule is variable name should not start with number. Should not start with number. So when you start with the number, automatically it will give you the error. When you start with the number, automatically it will give you the error. So that is the why reason don't start with the number. And the second rule for the variable is variable name. Okay, variable name should not contain spaces. Should not contain spaces. So very important point. Second point is variable name should not contain spaces. Don't keep spaces in your variable name. Don't keep spaces in your variable name. That is the one more major important point you have to remember. Next, I go with the third point. Variable name should not be a Python keyword or identifier. Variable name should not be a Python keyword or identifier. I will tell you what are the keywords which are available for Python or identifier or keyword. Okay. So keyword means what? Suppose any programming language you take, there is some keywords like if is the keyword, else is the keyword, and there are some operators. Okay, or operator, or is a keyword, is a keyword, a and end is a keyword. Okay, let me show you what are the different kind of Python keywords which are available. I will search here. Okay, Python keywords, Python keywords. Okay, so let's go. These are the Python keywords. So let's go with the W3 schools. And here there are some list of keywords which are going to be available. I will show you. Yeah, these are the keywords. And as, assert, break, class, continue, def, del, del, elif, else, expect, false, finally, for, from, global, if, import. Yeah, these are the keywords. But these keywords, not Python. These keywords not a variable name. Whatever the keywords which are available in Python, that keyword should not be a variable name. Remember. And one more point, one more important point. Variable name should not contain any special characters. Should not contain any special characters. What are the special characters like? There are some special characters. Okay, like this is a special character, this is a special character, this is a special character, this is the special character, this is the special character, this one, okay, and this one, and this one, and this one, okay, and this one. These are the special characters. Variable name should not contain any special characters like this. Okay, any special characters like this. Okay, this is the special character, this is a special character, this is a special character, this is a special character, this is the one, this is the one, this is the one. Variable name should not contain any special character, remember. But one important point I want to tell you. Variable name allow only one special character. Variable name allow only one, only one special character. Uh, what is that? Underscore. Variable name allowed only one special character called underscore. Variable name allowed one special character called underscore. Can you see and observe? Can you see and observe? I taken three variables here, right? I taken three variables here. The first variable is first number. Second variable is second number. And third variable is sum. Okay. So what I did, first underscore number, okay, fine, allowed. Second underscore number, okay, fine, allowed. Variable name is custom name. Variable name is custom name. Custom name, nothing but what? Whatever the name you want, you can take it. Okay, let me write the point now again. Variable name is custom name. Okay, let me write down. Yes. So variable name is custom name. You can take any variable name. You can take your friend name, you can take your name, you can take your girlfriend name, whatever it is. Variable name is custom name. Custom means whatever you want you can give, but you need to follow rules. Okay. You need to follow rules. These are the rules you need to follow. Whatever the rules I'm writing here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These rules compulsory you have to follow whenever you are creating a variable name. Am I clear, guys? Okay, let me check. Variable name should not start with the number, right? Okay. Let me try to create a variable here. I want to reconnect the collaboratory. Okay, let me take a new variable here. Sorry. Let me take a new variable here. So for example, I want to take the first number or name I'm taking. First name. Okay. This is okay. Can I start the first name with one? First name is equal to Mohansh. When I say Mohansh here, what is this output? When you execute this program, when you execute, suppose I'm copying this and I'm entering this. Yeah, let me execute the program. What is this? Invalid decimal or literal? One I am giving, one is not allowing. The number, variable name starting with the number not allowed. Variable name starting with the number not allowed. I told you guys. Variable name starting with the number not allowed. Okay. Remember. Let me go with one more rule. Variable name not allowed with the number. This is a rule actually satisfied. Okay, so I'm writing the one more time. Variable name should not start with the number. Variable name should not start with the number. Variable name should not start with the number. That's fine. Okay, the second rule is variable name should not contain spaces. One second, guys. Sorry. The first rule is what actually variable name should not start with the number. Yeah, that is fine. That is working actually. The second rule I told you, variable name should not contain spaces. Variable name should not contain spaces. Let me make it down. Variable name should not have spaces. Okay. It seems like suppose for example I'm taking a variable first name is equal to Mohansh. First name is equal to Mohansh. So when I keep the variable name like this, I want to check it out. Check it out. Variable name should not have spaces. Yes, this rule is also satisfying. So whatever the rules you are actually I'm telling, that rules are very important whenever you are creating the variable name. Let me take a one more variable rule. Third rule is variable name. Variable name should not be a Python keyword. Okay, I'm trying to creating a variable. I'm trying to creating a variable using with Python keyword. If is equal to Mohansh. If is actually if is a keyword of the Python. So I'm trying to taking variable name as Python keyword. Then it will not work out. It will not work out. Again, invalid syntax. Don't don't go for any keyword as variable name. Okay, that rule is also okay, fine. The next rule, I want to go for the next rule. Let me go for the next rule. A variable name should not contain any special characters. Should not contain any special characters. Yes, variable name should not contain any special character. Let me go first. Dollar name is equal to Mohansh. Okay, so when I say like this, okay, dollar is actually a special character, special symbol. So I am inserting or I'm taking one special character inside the first name. Okay, it will not allow. It will not allow. It will not go forward. It will not go forward. Why? Because of whatever the special characters you are going to be taking inside the variable, that will not allow. But variable name allowed only one special character, that is underscore. I told you. Variable name allowed. Variable name allowed only one special character, called underscore. Underscore. Yes, fine. Let me go for the variable name now. Again, first underscore name. When I say first underscore name is equal to Mohansh, yes, now it will work out. It will work out. Okay, I can able to see the output now. Okay, variable name is custom name, sir. Variable name is custom name, but you need to follow these rules and regulations. You need to follow these rules and regulations. Am I clear? So this is what actually about the variables concept in Python. In Python, variables, whenever you want to create, you have to follow these rules and regulations. Okay. So in the next video, we will go with the data types in the Python. Please like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel. If anybody not subscribed so far and your comments are valuable, please keep some comments for the video. Okay. So all Python videos are free. We are providing Mohansh Technology is going to be providing all Python videos are free. All JavaScript videos are free. All different other kind of technologies we are going to be providing free of cost. You can able to watch in the YouTube and you can able to learn. You can able to achieve the new jobs very soon. But anybody want to learn advanced emerging technologies like blockchain, quantum computing. At the same time, we will be having Gen AI and we will be having different kind of cyber security tools. We will be having ethical hacking and AML KYC, and we are going to be having PingFederate, Okta, CyberArk, MuleSoft. There are multiple technologies we are going to be providing, guys. If anybody want to learn emerging technologies, you contact with the Mohan's Technologies. And our YouTube channel is Mohansh IAM Training. So you can just go through the Mohansh IAM trainings. Subscribe the channel, guys. So bye for now, so far. Okay. And we'll meet again in the next video.